Hello, in this video, let's take a look at the scripting module in SmartICS solution. The scripting module is located in the settings under data sources in the scripts section. This section is divided into three elements. The first one is the script itself, the final version of the script, and the conditions for its execution. The second section is internal tags, virtual tags, that can be added to display calculated parameters. The third function is user-defined functions, where you can input preliminary script elements that may be repeated or calculated separately. Let's create a small script for summing up some values. Let's say we need to output the total values that will sum up alarms or any other signals based on the incoming variables. To add it, click Add Script button. Here you can change the script name, its triggering conditions, either triggering by tag change. Let's choose some tags, and keep in mind, when changing any parameters from the selected tags, be it time value or status, the script will be processed. Or it can be selected to be triggered automatically with a certain period of time. The period can be specified in milliseconds. The next part is the script itself. The scripts are written in JavaScript and use standard functions. Then we have information about the script and the console. The console can be filtered only for the selected scripts or for all the scripts. The console can also be cleared. Let's set the scripts and save the changes. Now, we need to get values from variables we want to sum. The values we want to extract are currently in the demo device. To find the address, we can refer to the console and write the standard command. When writing the code, we can use the built-in hint by pressing Ctrl space. You can see the menu of standard commands, which are standard for JavaScript, or some additional commands that are related to SmartICS. You can also see the detailed description of the function with its syntax and writing examples. First, let's create a new variable and set its name. Use all objects. And display the value in console from the list of the values that we need. Source ID, alias, next we compile the code. If there is an error, a prompt will indicate where the mistake is and its description. In our example, the command is wrong. Let's transform it into a function. And now let's try to compile again. Compilation succeeded, and the first value is displayed. After saving the changes, let's go back to the script. The script can be manually run without setting triggers. We applied it and got information about all the devices in the system with their IDs and names. Now we can use this data to extract the values that we need. Further specifying information about device and tags, now we need another comment by setting not all, but just one element. And we indicate device ID and its name. Next, by analogy, we create a list of variables that will be summarized. Names, and then we indicate the name of the variable. To see the exact name of the variable, we can go to device settings and see the parameter name alias of devices that we need. Let's return to script writing. By analogy, we create all 4 variables that we need. Now, to output the script results, we must create an entity to which this value will apply. Either we create a new device or we can add a new tag to an existing device. Select data type, discrete or analog. Since in our example it's a sum, so should be analog. And select the way to interact with the tag, read, write, or both. We save the changes and move to the further setup. Now, in the script, we add this variable. Since the source of the tag is script, we write script. And we indicate the name of the device. The script is ready, but to confirm this value, we will output it to the console. Our script is ready. We try to compile it. Compilation succeeded, so the script works correctly. Now, let's check the results. First, we need to make sure the virtual device is enabled. We save the changes and check what value the script outputs. The script shows that several values are 0, one of them is 1, so the sum is 1. Now, let's see how it works on the dashboard. We enable periodic triggering and apply the changes. we link the value to a widget. And we can check how the script handles the incoming signals. So here it shows 1, so it's indicating the sum. Let's check some other values. We are modifying it, so you see the sum is also changing. As you can see, the values are summed up correctly. So the script runs and displays the sum of the value correctly. If you need additional information about scripts, you can find it in the help section. In the scripts subsection. It includes description of how to work with the scripts, how to work with devices, user-defined functions, and some internal SmartICS commands, along with their syntax, and of course some examples. We hope everything is clear. Thank you for your attention.